So this is my rain gutter planter, which I finished yesterday. And I didn't show you how I've planted the succulents there because I've pretty much just stuffed or planted the succulents wherever I can fit it in. And as you can see, it's many different kinds of succulents there, which I don't even know most of it. And I'm really liking it. So nice, and it is such a space saver. I think maybe 50 pots that I've used, and as you can see in between, there's succulent leaves stocked there, and as well as small cuttings. And yeah, really liking this. Hi everyone, it's your BUHAYMOTHER Monica, and I hope you're having a great day. Well, today I'll be showing you how I've installed this rain gutter planter over here, and this rain gutter planter over here, and this serves as my propagation area. It's pretty easy to do. The only thing that took so long to do is planting all of these small succulents, cuttings and leaves as well, but it was worth it. I really enjoyed it. I've saved a lot of space, and as well as it just looks, I can see it pretty much every day. It protects the succulents from slugs and snails, because that's what I have here all the time, well, most of the time. Before I show you the installation of this rain gutter planter, I would like to thank you all for watching my videos and as well as subscribing to my channel. And if you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe and hit all for the notification bell. So please don't forget to hit all for the notification bell so that any new videos of mine you'll be notified straight away. I'll be having more videos next, like DIYs, anything gardening, or even succulent arrangements, or anything gardening really, because that's what I love doing, and I love sharing that with you guys. So let me show you how I make it. So these are the things we're gonna need for our vertical planter. First is the gutter. I got that from Bunnings, around $20, and it's around 1.2 meters or 1.5, I think. And the parts for it, you need to make sure that you get the for the end part, this one goes there, and you need to make sure you get the left and right, and it clearly shows on the bracket anyway, on the item. So that's right, and then this is left. And as well as to keep everything in place, we have this bracket for the gutter. So what happens is it just keeps everything tight. And so I got 4 of that, and I have screws, and I have this wood as well, which I got from Bunnings, and it's already been pre-cut because I don't want to drill onto the post I'll be or cement railing I'll be attaching it to. I'm just gonna tie this wood to that, and we have screws, and to tie it we have this utility cord. It's pretty heavy duty. You can use any cord that you have around. You can use wire as well, anything that is long lasting, because the last thing you want is for it to break down after so many months or even after 1 year. And to make the drainage hole on our gutter, I have this soldering iron, I think that's what you call it. And lastly, we have our drill. There you go. With this rain gutter planter, I didn't drill it directly on the cement railing. It's just that I didn't want to make holes on this railing here, and I can get away anyway with just tying it, and make sure you reinforce it just to make sure it doesn't fall. And but if you can, if you've got a wooden wall or cement wall that you can drill directly, you can definitely do that. That is the full view. I don't know if you can see it very well because it's behind my succulent garden. It's doing its job. And this one here, actually, after I've planted all of those, I filled up that rain gutter. I've watered that with liquid fertilizer, and that will help it from transplant shock. I'm just gonna monitor that in a couple of days just to make sure they're adapting very well. Also, if you haven't, please check out my video under the succulent playlist. It's called Succulent Garden Makeover, and I'll actually put the link in my description box and as well as somewhere in the screen for the link on how I've transformed my raised garden and turned it into a succulent garden. And this is 1 week, and so far so good. If you have any other methods or materials that you use as a space saver for your succulents or for your cuttings or propagations, please do let me know in the comment box. I would love to know. I might actually do it in my next vlog if you don't mind me sharing it. So yeah, I would love to hear it. Please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet, and hit all for the notification bell. It really inspires me to make more videos. Alright, thank you very much and have a great day, and keep safe everyone.